picks up alright, didn't she?
Yeah.
Love it.
Right, so we'll try and keep this nice and short. I'm not going to waffle on this time, but it's been a really popular competition, this one, I'm going to say. We've had quite a lot of entries, 2,379 entries to be exact. So yeah, really good. People are really keen for this Audi TT, even if it is petrol and we specialise in diesels. We have got another competition coming very soon after this one. It's not a car this time, so you'll have to check out all the socials for what's coming on that one. And then after that one, we have got another car, and that is going to be the biggest competition that we've done to date. So yeah, excited to be giving that one away. Example 1 to 100, 37, completely random. So 1 to 2,379 means the winner is ticket 2232. Well, we're nearly on it. Oh, we're on it. We're on it. So Jack Sargent is the winner of our Audi TT. Shall we ring him? Yeah. I've done it again, I forgot phone. Forgot phone. Nice one. I'll grab a phone and then we'll ring him. So, for anyone that said all the winners are pretty local to us, which, in all honesty, not the last... yeah, the BMW were pretty close. He was from Barnsley, and then the Mini was from Pontefract. So both are pretty close, but this guy's not, he's miles away. So this guy is from Stowmarket, which if you're not sure where that is, it's very close to Ipswich. So he's got a decent drive up. Let's give him a call.
This is the Vodafone voicemail service for 07.
I hate it when it does that. Anti-climax. I'll give him one more try. Let's have a go. Might be at work.
This is the Vodafone voice.
No, not answering. So that's it. You're not getting any reactions or anything like that today, unfortunately. I will give him a call later today and we'll get it on the normal cameras so we can put it in the collection video. So if you do want to see Jack collecting his new car, if you're not too bitter that it wasn't you, that'll be on the YouTube in the next couple of weeks. As I mentioned earlier, there's going to be another competition coming very, very soon. Possibly tomorrow, possibly next week. Like I said, that's not for a car. So you'll have to have a look to see what we're going to be giving away. And then in a few weeks' time, we have got another car. And like I said, that is going to be the biggest competition we've done. So we've got some exciting stuff coming very, very soon. Thank you to everybody that entered. Congratulations again to Jack for winning. We'll arrange with him when he can come and get it and then hand over the keys very soon. So keep an eye out for the next competition. We'll see you then. Right, so we're not live anymore, but an hour later I have just had 2 missed calls from the number that I tried calling. So that would be Jack. So he's either already seen the video and he already knows he's won, or he's just ringing back a random number that's rung him during the day. So let's try calling back, see if he already knows he's won.
Hello?
You alright, is that Jack?
Yeah.
It's Danny calling from Darkside Developments.
You're alright, mate?
Not too bad. Have you watched the live draw?
No, I haven't.
You'll probably not know that you've won a car then.
Taking the piss, didn't you?
I'm not taking the piss, no. You've won. I think you only bought 1 ticket as well, didn't you?
Yeah.
So you've won yourself a £5 car.
Well, that's fucking brilliant.
You've got to be in it to win it, so whether that's 1 ticket or
Very true.
30 tickets, somebody's got to win it.
Quality. Yeah, sorry, mate. Yeah.
I tried calling you earlier. Obviously, that's why you've tried calling me back. We were live doing the live draw then, but yeah, we're not live anymore. So you can swear all you want.
Oh, Thank for that. Yeah, no, literally my phone's been in a locker all day. I've had no access to it, so I've seen nothing.
Right. That's some good news to come finish work to. Have you just finished work, I'm guessing?
Yeah, literally just finished.
That's made your Thursday a little bit better then?
Yeah, no, that's f***ing, to be fair, that's made my f***ing year, I reckon, mate.
Well, that's it. We're here to make dreams come true.
Oh, well, thank you very much.
No problem. Well, what I'll do, I'll send over a quick email, obviously just confirming that you've won from the Darkside email address and everything. And then we'll kind of go from there and arrange a date when you want to come and collect it. Well done.
Ollie, thank you very much, mate.
No,
appreciate it.
No problem. All right, I'll speak to you soon, Jack.
Thank you. Speak to you soon.
Thanks, mate. Cheers.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Happy. They're always happy. You can't not be happy when you've won a car for £5. So yeah, let's drop Jack an email with all the details and we'll arrange for him to come and collect it. So next bit of this video, be handing over the keys. Oh, it's warm in there.
It's cool, isn't it?
There we are.
That is smart as isn't it? I was just saying, like, you look at stuff and like I literally sat down there with my cup of tea in the morning and gone, cool, that looks smart, I'd like a bit of that. Gone to work and was saying to the bloke where I was like, yeah, when I get my TT later, like, never expect it to actually be you, do you?
Yeah. That's the thing we have. It's weird because we have some people that enter and like they're so confident that they're going to win. It's like, oh, I've bought 10 tickets. I'm definitely going to win this. And then you get some people who are just like, well.
You buy a ticket and you're really hopeful, aren't you? But I'll be honest, it's like I bought tickets for things before and you think that's it, never see that again, don't worry about it. But yeah, it's like when you phone me, I like genuinely I thought, oh,
someone's pranking you.
Yeah, I thought you had me on. Honestly, I've been checking my emails every day, make sure it is real. I was like, I think, is that right? Is that right?
It's real.
Yeah.
So,
quality.
pretty much ready to go on track. Have you done many track days before or?
No, none.
None.
I think I might do now.
Why not?
Might have a go.
Why not?
No, it's absolutely mint. Love it, can't believe it. Thank you very much.
No problem. They're yours anyway.
Thank you.
The setup at the minute, tyre-wise, is more track orientated.
Yeah.
There's another set of wheels with like road tyres on. So, like I said, if you're going to be driving it round, it's probably worth leaving them on, just keeping these for track.
Yeah.
Yeah, other than that, it's not much to it.
No, it's just good to go.
Yeah, that's it.
Sure as well. Thank you very much.
No
mate.
problem.
Really appreciate it.
And we'll go for a quick drive. Yeah.
All right, sweet as. Nah, I don't need answers. I'm like, oh, go on.
He's gone full race car already.
Huh? Yeah.
There is a normal seatbelt as well.
That's not fun.
You don't get full experience. But I'm gonna go for normal seatbelt.
Oh no, because now I look silly. I'm gonna have to go seatbelt, aren't I?
Do you want me to put my harness on?
Go on.
You feel better?
Won't make me look
to be
so
fair,
silly,
it made me feel safer anyway.
Yeah, I'd suggest it.
Oh, I think it's adjust. I'm just going to do normal seatbelt.
Yeah.
They need adjusting.
No, that's fine. That looks like aggro. We're driving a petrol.
What do you normally drive? Did you say the van?
Caddy van.
The van, yeah.
Caddy van. The missus got an A3.
Both
So
diesel.
Like, yeah.
Plenty of induction noises.
Yeah.
If you go left here.
Yeah. Oh.
It's a further back. It'll take some getting.
Steering wheel.
I'm saying, to be fair, if you're used to driving diesels as well,
Yeah.
you'll generally like change at 5,000 RPM when realistically you've still got plenty of revs left in it.
Yeah, that'll take some getting used to, I think.
It feels like you're like screaming it, but it's not. It's just how
It's just what
petrols are.
it's what they're for. So, Yeah, I'm still driving them too high, aren't
Yeah. You can probably feel as well how much it's set up for track.
I? Yeah.
That you've only got to move the steering wheel a little bit and it kind of goes wherever you want it to go.
Do you know what? I've been wanting one of these for ages as well. Like, and I keep looking at it, and I've just taken a step back at work, and where I've now become like
You're like,
an apprentice again.
right. You can go all the way back,
Yeah.
back round.
And like change my job and become an apprentice to like learn a new trade. And it was one of them things I was like, yeah, I want to get a toy, but it was just not going to be feasible anytime soon.
Yeah.
And I was, yeah. And then this come up and I thought,
Why not?
What an eye. She picks up alright, didn't she?
Yeah. Like, there's not really anything fancy. You could go hybrid turbos and things like that, but it's pretty much stock really, other than a map and your intake.
I was about to say, because the Club Sport is, well, the Club Sports come as 260, don't they?
Yeah.
And I'm assuming there's not much more to it other than a good tune-up.
I'm not sure if the turbo's a little bit bigger, but it probably is just the software.
Love it.
Good.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
But yeah, sorry if I sounded rude on the...
No. It's
phone, mate.
it's weird how people react. Like, some people go into a bit of a state of shock. They're like, really don't know what to say, and then other people are just like ecstatic and just start swearing up for.
Yeah, it's just like, thought, yeah, don't know what to say. It's kind of, so it's just weird. Like, you never expect the phone, like you see people online, don't you? But you never expect the phone call yourself.
Yeah. To be fair, like, since we started doing our own competitions, I've started entering more competitions.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if it's just the fact that I'm kind of behind the scenes now and kind of see that, like you, those people that buy one ticket and win. So
First ticket I've ever bought from you lot as well.
right?
Like, I don't think, because you haven't done many competitions, have you?
No, not really. I think we are planning to do more.
Yeah.
But generally, in the past, we kind of get to the end of a project
Yeah.
and we'll raffle it off rather than obviously selling it. But I think we're going to do a few more smaller competitions, so remaps and store credit and things like that. So
Well, I'm hooked now.
that's it. £5 on next one as well. Hopefully this video goes out before, but we have got another car competition coming as well. So I'll not reveal it for the video, but there is another car competition,
Nice. Well,
and it'll be
I'll
as
buy
biggest one as well.
Looks like I'm buying some more tickets then, doesn't it?
So yeah, nice drive home. Perfect weather for it.
Yeah, just buzzing. Like I say, it just feels really strange, doesn't it?
Yeah, I imagine. I've never been on your side. I've always been giving the cars away, but I can't imagine what it's like to enter for a fiver and go and pick up your new car.
Like, you get it if I bought like 100 tickets or something, but yeah, one ticket.
People do. People obviously buy the maximum amount, and don't get me wrong, the odds are better,
Of course so.
but it's a gamble. It's
Always a gamble.
yeah. You can buy one, you can buy 30. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose.
Yeah.
So, final goodbye for the TT. Well done to Jack again for winning it. Just goes to show you have got to be in these competitions to win them. So, one entry, £5. Got yourself a new car.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Enjoy it.
Cheers.